Welcome to the IAOB SMMT YouTube channel. These 13 videos were filmed at Faltec Europe Ltd in Sutherland, UK, and will focus on techniques that can be used while conducting first, second, or third-party audits using the IATF 16949 standard. These are simulated scenarios and are not intended as a full representation of an IATF audit. So I'm Devin. I'm part of your IATF audit. I'm following up on the new product introduction. So I noticed that you just released this product. There was a little bit of an issue with it. You're doing a manual process. Can you tell me a little bit about that?
Yes, unfortunately the part was meant to have a confirmation fixture at launch, but we're slightly delayed through engineering. So currently we are doing a manual check and we're consulting with our FOMs. And because it's a new launch, we can't change the process for an additional 12 weeks after SOP.
Okay, and that you can't change it. Is that your customer requirement or is that internal?
Yes, that's part of any NFAQ requirement.
One of the top 10 major non-conformities found in IATF 16949 audits relates to clause 8.3.5.2, manufacturing process design output. In this requirement, there are a list of deliverables that should be delivered as an output of a new product introduction process. In this video, the auditor is following an audit trail from the new product introduction process into production and finds that a recently introduced new product is being verified by a manual check rather than checking in a fixture which is yet to be delivered. This could give evidence that the process for project management is not effective and would need to be followed up on by the auditor to verify the severity of this problem. It was also stated by the auditee that customer-specific requirements do not allow any changes in the manufacturing process to be made when a new product is introduced for 12 weeks after the launch. This could be then followed up and verified by the auditor by referring to the relevant customer-specific requirements. The auditor, as part of the audit trail, should review the PFMEA and the control plan to verify that the risks and the necessary detection controls have been considered, that the relevant work instructions are in place to define the necessary controls, and that there was evidence that the operator is competent to perform the defined checks. So let's summarize. It is essential that in the new product introduction process that effective project management is in place to ensure that by product launch, all the necessary equipment, infrastructure, measuring equipment, and relevant documented information is available to ensure production can manufacture the part to the defined specification.